Recording in progress. All right, here we go. In three, two, one. Let's see. Is this video? It's all about. Okay, three, two, one. Welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about insider secrets every home seller needs to know. And in this video, it's all about the best questions to ask an agent when selling your house. And this question is from Dean, and he wants to know how to make your house stand out when selling it. Well, on the short list, a good agent will suggest professional staging and photography and may even hire an expert copywriter to write ads. They may also do live streams from your house to introduce it to the market and share on social media. Although this is a marketing question, you're actually assessing how creative the agent is. But how to make your house stand out is a good one. Another question you should ask is, how can I increase the selling price of my home? A few small suggestions or even just a few $100s of repairs could increase your bottom line twofold or even fourfold. Ask your agent if there are any small things you could do to increase your selling price. If the agent has no suggestions, they may not be working on your behalf to get the best price. But most agents will have a handful of ideas for high impact. And the last question I can give you today would be this one. What are the common pitfalls when selling your house? That's a great question to ask an agent. With thousands and potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars on the line, you want an agent who will be honest with you. Ask them to honestly point out any potential mistakes or pitfalls that you can avoid. What we want to expect is the unexpected and be prepared for anything. Knowing the best questions to ask an agent when selling your home and getting all the creative and practical ideas out of any agent you interview can make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for more Remy, because you'll be able to maximize the entire process. So that's your tip for today. Thank you for joining Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. My name is Remy, like Remy. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about your loan, the escrow process, what repairs to do before selling your home, and what not to do, staging, tips for selling your home quickly, or how to put more Remy in your pocket when you sell your home, my team is standing by. Simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. And we look forward to chatting with you soon.